Hey guys, this is Davin, and in this video I'll be explaining to you how to write your first business plan from scratch. A beginner's complete guide and detail of how to write your first business plan. What is a business plan? Do you even know the importance of a business plan? In this video, I will be explaining to you in detail, defining what a business plan is. This is your boy Davin, and if you have not yet subscribed or liked this video, please go ahead to do so. What is a business plan? A business plan is a written statement that describes and analyzes your business and gives detailed projections about its future. A business plan also covers the financial aspects of starting or expanding your business, how much money you need, and how you will pay it back. Why write a business plan in the first place? There are two main purposes of writing a business plan. The first and the most important is to serve as a guide during the lifetime of your business. It is the blueprint of your business and will serve to keep you on the right track. Second, the business plan is a requirement if you're planning to seek loan funds. It will provide potential lenders with detailed information on all aspects of the company's past, current operations, and provide future projections. The text of a business plan must be concise and yet must contain as much information as possible. The cover sheet. The first page of your business plan will be the cover sheet. It serves as a title page of your plan. It should contain the following information. 1. The name of the company address, the company phone number, the company logo, names, titles, addresses, and phone numbers of partners, month and year in which the plan is issued, and the name of the preparer of the business plan. Next, the mission statement. The mission statement can also be called the statement of purpose. If your lender were to read only this information, he or she would know the name, nature of your business, its legal structure, the amount and purpose of your loan request, and your plan for repayment. You can use the keyword approach to be able to write your mission statement successfully. You can write the following keywords on a card. Keep it in front of you while writing. These are who, what, where, when, why, how much. Answer all these questions asked by the keywords. Remember to be concise, clear, and the statement of purpose or the mission statement should be contained on at least one page. The business. The first major section of your plan covers the details of your business. Be prepared to back up your statements and justify your projections with data in the supporting documents. In this section of the plan, you go into greater detail about your business. Remember to answer the keywords questions regarding the business's history, present status, and future projections for research and development. You will also be required to stress the uniqueness of your product or service and state how it will benefit the customer. The following are a few things titles you should use when describing your business in this section. The legal structure, the products and all services, the management, the personnel, the method of record keeping, the insurance, and security. I'll just go into detail of each of them to give you a green light on how to expound on them. The legal structure. Here, you state the reasons for your choice of a legal structure. If you are a sole proprietor, you may include a copy of your business license. If you have formed a partnership, include a copy of your partnership agreement in the supporting documents. Your agreement should include provisions for partners to exit and for dissolution of the company. It must spell out the distribution of profits and financial responsibility for any losses. Explain the reasoning behind the terms of the agreement. If you have formed a corporation, explain why this legal form was chosen and how the company will operate within the corporate structure, and include a copy of the charter and article in the supporting documents. The product or service. Give a detailed description of your product from raw materials to the finished item. What raw materials are used? How much do they cost? How are your suppliers? Where are they located? And why did you choose them? Include cost breakdowns and rate sheets to back up your statements. Although you may order from one main supplier, include information on alternate suppliers. Address how you could handle a sudden increase in orders or a loss from a major supplier. You should state any proprietary rights such as copyrights, patents, or trademarks in this section. Management. Describe the governing structure of your business. Personnel. Who will be doing the work? Why are they qualified? How will they be hired? What is their wage? What will they be doing? Outline the duties and job descriptions of your personnel. Explain any employee benefits. Do they have a plan of increasing personnel? Methods of recording, of record keeping actually. Tell what accounting system will be used and why the system was chosen. What portion of your record keeping will be done internally? Who will be responsible for keeping those records? Will you be using an outside accountant to maximize your profits? Next is insurance. Insurance is important consideration for every business. Product liability is a major consideration, especially in certain industries. Service businesses are concerned with personal liability, insuring customers' goods while on the premises or during transporting of those goods. If a vehicle is used for business purposes, your insurance must reflect that use. Consider the types of coverage appropriate to your business. Tell what coverage you have, why you chose it, what time period it covers, and who the carrier is. Keep your insurance information current. Next is security. More than 30% of businesses fail as a result from employee dishonesty. This concerns not only theft of merchandise, but also theft of information. Address the issue of security as it relates to your business. Anticipate problem areas in your business. Identify security measures you will put into place. Tell why you chose them and what you project they will accomplish. The second major section of your business plan covers the details of your marketing plan. A good marketing plan is essential to your business development and success. Include information about the total market with emphasis on your target market. You must take the time to identify your customers and find the means to make your product or service available to them. The key here is time. It takes time to research and develop a marketing plan, but it is time well spent. Remember that you need a clear understanding of who will purchase your product, who will make use of your service, why they will choose your company, and how you will find out about it. The following are a few titles that could help you come up with a good marketing plan. Number one, the target market, the competition, methods of distribution, advertising, pricing, package, and product design. Now I will go into detail to throw some green light on each of these titles. Number one, the target market. The target market has been defined as that group of customers with a set of common characteristics that distinguish them from other customers. You want to identify that set of common characteristics that will make those customers yours. State how you feel you have served this market in terms of your resources, strengths, and weaknesses. Focus on reasonable, believable, and obtainable projections regarding the size of your potential market. Second is the competition. Direct competition is a business offering the same product or service to the same market. Indirect competition is a company with the same product or service but with a different target market. Evaluate both types of competitors. You want to determine the competitor's image. To what part of the market are they trying to appeal? Can you appeal to the same market in a better way? Or can you find an untapped market? Next are the methods of distribution. Distribution is the manner in which products are physically transported to the customer or the way services are made available to the customer. Distribution is closely related to your target market. Establish the purchasing patterns of your customers. If you're selling a product, do your customers purchase by direct mail, buy through catalogs, or make in-store purchases? Will you sell directly or through a manufacturer's representative? If you are shipping the product, who will absorb the shipping costs and what carrier will be used? List the pros and cons of the various methods of distribution and give reasons for your choice. Next is advertising. Advertising presents the message to your customer that your product or service is good and desirable. Tailor your advertising to your target market. Your marketing research will have spelled out which television and radio stations and which publications are of interest to your target market. Those are the ones you will use. Analyze your competitors' advertising in these publications. Be ready to back up your decisions. Tell the lender where you will put your advertising dollars, why you chose those methods, how your message will reach your target market, when your advertising campaign will begin, how much your plan will cost, and what format your advertising will take. Pricing. Your pricing structure is critical to the success of your business and is determined through market research and analysis of financial considerations. Basic marketing strategy is to price within the range between the price ceiling and the price floor. The price ceiling is determined by the market. It is the highest cost a customer will pay for a product or a service and is based on perceived value. What is the competition charging? What is the quality of the product or service you're offering? What is the nature of the demand and what is the image of you are projecting? The price floor, on the other hand, is the lowest amount at which you can offer a product or service. Meet all your costs, still make your desired profits. The profitable business operate between the price ceiling and the price floor. Be specific about how you arrived to your pricing structure and leave room for some flexibility. Next is product design or packaging. Packaging and product design can play a major role in the success of your business. It is what first catches the customer's eye. Consider the taste of your target market in the ultimate design of your product and your packaging design. Decide what will be the most appealing in terms of size, shape, color, material, and wording. Packaging attracts a great deal of public attention. Include sketches or photographs. Also include information on any proprietary rights, such as copyrights, trademarks, or patents. Industry trends are also important. Be alert for changes in your industry. New technology may bring new products into the marketplace that will generate new service businesses. Read trade journals and industry reports in your field. Project how your market may change and what you plan to do to keep up. You are now ready to develop the third area of your business plan, which is the financial documents. Financial records are used to show your past, current, and projected finances. In this section, we will cover the major documents you will want to include in your business plan. They will consist of both projected and actual financial statements. A summary of these are the application of your loan for your loan funds, the cash flow statement, a 3-year projection, a break-even analysis, an actual performance statement, a balance sheet, an income statement including profit and loss, and a financial history statement. Now that you have completed the main body of your business plan, you will need to include a separate section for any additional records that should be included to support your plan. Supporting documents are the records that back up the statements and decisions you made in the main 3 parts of your business plan. The following are the several documents that you will want to include: personal resumes, personal financial statements, copies of leases, letters of reference, contracts, legal documents, and other miscellaneous documents. I'll just expound a little on each of these documents. For example, personal resumes. If you are a sole proprietor, include your own resume. If your business is a partnership, there should be a resume for each partner. If you are a corporation, include resumes for all officers of the corporation. A resume need not and should not be a lengthy document. Each resume should include a work history, educational background, your professional affiliations and honors, and your special skills. Next is the personal financial statement. All owners should include a statement of personal assets and liabilities. This information can be compiled in the same manner as a balance sheet. Use the same format and list all assets and liabilities to determine your net worth. Copies of leases. Include all lease agreements currently in force between the company and a leasing agency. Some examples are the lease agreements are your business premises, equipment, automobiles, etc. Next are the letters of reference. These are letters recommending you as a reputable and reliable business person worthy of being considered a good risk. There are two types of letters of reference: business references, all those written by business associates, suppliers, and customers, and personal references, all those written by non-business associates who can assess your business skills. Next are the contracts. Include all business contracts, both completed and currently in force. Some examples are current loan contracts, papers on prior business loans, purchase agreements on large equipment, vehicle purchase contracts, service contracts, and maintenance agreements. Other legal documents. Include all legal documents pertaining to your business. Some of these are articles of incorporation, partnership agreements, copyrights, trademark registrations, patents, insurance policies, property and vehicle titles, etc. And any other important documents I may not have mentioned above should also be included in the supporting documents. As I conclude this video, I would like to remind you of the main sections of writing your business plan. The cover sheet mentions mission statement, business description, marketing plan, financial statements, and other supporting documents. With these, you surely will have a winning business plan. If you believe you have learned something from this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, thank you for watching.